Hi guys, welcome to Real Out Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with iBotta rebate deals that you can do at Walmart or any other store that the rebate would qualify for. If you do not have iBotta, you can use the code that you see there in green when you sign up as a referral code. Once you have iBotta downloaded to your mobile device, you would tap to open iBotta. And they have offered us a Thanksgiving Your Way bonus this year. So as you can see, from the home screen, if you click there, you will see what your bonus offer is. Mine is $20 for 47 offers. And I thought this was a great time to bring up the fact that everybody has something different. Your amount of offers are going to be different. So let's hop into some more specifics here. You can search for specific products or brands by typing in the search up at the top there. As you can see, I typed in Kotex. It would bring up a bunch of Kotex offers. You can also scan an item while you're in store to see if there is a rebate or to make sure that your item that you are buying is going to attach to the rebate that you are trying to do. So that's very important. You can do that in store. Up next, if you click down at the bottom from the home page, you can see bonus offers, items that have bonuses available to them. And that could be anything from, one of the deals that I have in here for you is stovetop. If you buy 3, you qualify for a bonus. So you would see stovetop as a bonus and it would explain to you what the requirements are for that particular bonus. Up next, if you scroll from the homepage down to the bottom, you will find there is some items you can swipe to the side and scroll them. When you scroll those, you are actually going to see one that is get 100% cash back. These items are either going to be BOGO or 100% free after your rebate. So if it was 99 cents and the rebate was 99 cents, you would get that 99 cents back. With iBotta, you have to be at a minimum of $20 in order to cash out. Biggest tip I can give you is please do not let it sit there. Once you hit that 20, take that money out. I have seen people lose accounts or lose money that's been in their account from it just sitting. So as we jump into the offers that you're going to start seeing on your screen, some items will have pricing. The pricing is based on my area, my Walmart. My Walmart is a regular Walmart. We have just a small section of frozen, a small section of your cold refrigerated items, and on one of the end caps, you can get a few produce items. We do not have a meat station. We do not have a deli department. We don't have a produce section, a big grocery section. We just have what the basic Walmart has. So if your area has a Walmart that has more grocery, some of these things, maybe you might see different pricing. Some of the things that I show here that don't have a price on them, maybe you can find them in your Walmart app, whereas I can't get those items here. So for me, it wouldn't work out. Note that on this Thanksgiving bonus that they have put out, no matter what number your qualifications are to get that bonus. So we're going to use the $20 bonus as an example. I have $20 if I do 47 offers. Autumn has $20 if she does 25 offers. I have seen other people have $20 and they have to do 57 offers. Lori, I believe, is the same as mine, $20 for 47 offers. With each offer that you do, like this one says limit 3 times per receipt. If you were to buy 3 of the Delsum and on one receipt, that counts as 3 offers towards your bonus. So this one has a bonus here. This is stovetop. If you buy 3, you get a 50-cent bonus on top of the limit of 5 up to 5 times on the receipt. So that would be 35 cents each for the 3 boxes that I put here, plus the 50 cents, making your total the $4 that you saw there. On several items like Splenda, for instance, if you were to go in the search bar and type in Splenda, there are other offers that will come up for Splenda. You can type in, Dawn, Tide, whatever it is, you can type that in. And if there is not an offer, it'll say related offers and it'll show you other items that have offers. So when you're on your home screen, if you're scrolling and you're looking at the offers available to you, know that if you type in a product name, there's more offers that you're not seeing right on that first screen. So that's a great resource idea. You could type in just something random, whether it be a brand or a product like toilet paper, and any rebates would pop up for that. Same thing with food and pet food and all the different categories. Walmart does, and I haven't checked the others, and that's, my fault for not doing that for you. Walmart does have offers on some toys, so you might want to scroll for that, especially with Black Friday coming up. And I'll try and put together some more, like the toys and the other items. There's car seat rebates. There's several different ones. There's a coffee maker. I can't remember if that showed yet or not, but there's a coffee maker, a Mr. Coffee maker, and there's a rebate on that. But there's other ones. Granted, the prices go up based on the rebates available. So keep that in mind when you're looking. I just figured throwing together some of these, even though they're not the lowest out of pocket on many of them, and here's the coffee maker, even though they're not the lowest out of pocket on them, it's still an idea of, okay, well, I use this, I could do this and use it towards a gift, or, if you do gift baskets for Christmas or whatever, birthdays, anniversaries, you name it. This is just an idea to get you started. Now, Walmart is the focus here, but there are other stores, Target, etc. Dollar General does not let you scan the receipts. Your Dollar General would be cash back in the Dollar General app if there is an offer, and you would have to clip it there, or your account would have to be linked to iBotta. So as these come up, just keep in mind that what you see here is not everything. This is just to give you a few ideas of what you can do to meet those bonus requirements. Some of them, like me, 47. I think if I had chosen the $40 bonus, if you had seen it early enough, you were able to choose your level. I think if I had chose the $40, I had to do something like 75 offers. So I hope this has helped. I know I've talked a lot through this, and I appreciate you being here. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you're doing the iBotta bonuses for Thanksgiving. Be sure to share, subscribe so you get notified when we put out new content. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys!